Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up guys, welcome to another video. There's a huge much done on the buggy, so let's get straight into it. I've just spot welded this frame and connected these holes. This is where the U-bolt will be sitting, but this is no exact right height. If you look over here from this angle here, you can kind of see that this is not 100% proportionate straight. It's supposed to have this caster angle, but this one's straight, so it's kind of having its own angle. But I guess we're gonna try and install the springs, see the level of it, and let's get to it. Well guys, we did some modifications, and where the U-bolts attached to the frame is now a totally different place, and we now have these L bolts over here. As you see here, the brackets moved, and so I guess we're gonna cut them. These ones are pretty weak, so I guess we cut them, put new ones maybe today or tomorrow, and then we'll see from there. We removed the frame so that we can weld the whole spring setup. They're kind of uneven, but we're just gonna weld it, do the test. If it fails, then we go back. So yeah, let's go ahead. Well, there it is. It welded in nicely. Gonna let it cool down a bit, and then the test comes in. Whether it falls or, yeah, we don't know, but let it cool down, and then let's Well guys, thank you very much for watching. We've done the front suspension. This is just amazing here. I think that might be it for the front. Then we'll move over to the back later, maybe probably in the next video. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.